Welcome! Today we're going to learn to check the print alignment on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. On the touchscreen, press the ink icon. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the Improve Print Quality option is displayed. Select Alignment. Now press Next. Press Yes. Now select Auto. Select your paper size and press Start. When the test sheet prints, open the scanner cover and place the sheet face down. Ensure the black dot is at the back left corner of the scanner. Now press Start. Press OK. Now press the Home button. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.